about my initial reaction, I got a message from one of my friends saying, are the results out? And I go onto the website, I log in, I look at my scores, and I'm like, is this a scam website? Am I looking at the wrong website? And it was so funny because my parents were there. They were gleaming with joy, calling up my grandparents, and I was out here crying. Maybe this is not my results, Let's just stop here. And then I spent like half an hour just trying to ensure I'm on the correct website. But after a while, it sunk in, and it felt very validating for sure. So I joined GIIS in 2017 in 8th grade, and the past 5 years have been absolutely amazing. I've had some wonderful friends, wonderful teachers, and I've gotten the opportunity to take part in a lot of events, badminton, sports, yeah. For me, 11th grade, the first 2 months was completely online, and 11th grade was definitely very academically rigorous, but GIIS had some wonderful teachers. They made online classes so seamless for us. The transition was really smooth. So I would say it wasn't as much of a challenge, but the teachers made online classes very fun. We had cahoots, even PE. We all used to look forward to online PE classes, virtual sports challenges, so yeah. I've been very grateful to have some of the best teachers. They've been very motivating. They've guided me through, all sorts of things. And I'd like to share this instance in 12th grade, one of my pre-board exams. I did not score as well as I wanted to in English, and Shija ma'am, my English teacher, she sat down with me. We analyzed my question paper for like an hour. We talked about strategies, how she could help me, how I could improve going further, and that was so helpful. And this is really a testament of how supportive the teachers are. They care about you. I was able to use these strategies in my board exams and perform to my expectations. So ever since I was a child, I used to do these Sudoku with my grandfather, and that really got me interested in problem solving, and you could say that was this natural progression towards a passion for mathematics. That was really a spark, and going forward I've had really amazing math teachers in GIIS which have really nurtured this passion. Maths is about feeling confident in yourself. I believe that everyone can do math. It's just keeping a growth mindset, persevering, and that was really my passion. And with respect to GIIS Math Club, I founded GIIS Math Club with 3 of my friends, four of us, and we noticed this lack of mathematical community at school. So our vision or our purpose really was to bring together students who have a natural inclination, they have a love for mathematics. At the same time, we also wanted to encourage other students, to alleviate this seemingly inexplicable phobia that people have towards mathematics. So kind of to bring those two groups together through our events and initiatives. I got the opportunity to be the Secretary of Student Council, and it really seems daunting at first. You're heading so many students at once, but the other student council members were so supportive. We worked together, we collaborated, we brought out different perspectives, even though COVID posed a lot of challenges for us. But I believe we were able to bring forth the students' perspective. We were able to respond to their problems. So it was a great learning experience. I started playing badminton when I was in grade 6. I started training under a coach. And once I came to GIS, Jalal sir, he was very gracious in allowing me to try out for the school badminton team. From then on, I played under 14, under 16 Axis tournaments. I played singles as well as doubles, and it was a great experience. Badminton brought a lot of discipline in me. There were matches where I won, there were matches where I lost, but it really taught me how to accept failures, move forward with it, and learn from it. GIS has always emphasized on holistic developments, and it's really evident because the teachers not only care about academics, they always push me to take part in a lot of events. My CS teacher, Ravneet ma'am, she was always posting, okay, this is hackathon, do you want to take part? And even GIS also posts a lot of external opportunities. In terms of clubs, the staff is so supporting they really support you if you want to start a new initiative. So I definitely believe that school has been a great pillar in nurturing these talents in me, giving me these opportunities, allowing me to go outside my comfort zone, because when I went for these opportunities, I realized, I have an interest in this as well. So I am going to University of Waterloo in Canada to study computer science, and I'm really excited of what those 4 years hold for me. Apart from attending classes regularly, listening to your teachers, doing practice papers, I believe that exams is also about mindset. So one thing that has really worked for me is imbibing this growth mindset. It's this belief that our intelligence or our talent is not deep-seated, it's not fixed, it's something that you can nurture throughout time. It's about leveraging these failures as learning opportunities. So that has really worked wonders for me. And I have this saying which my dad often tells me, all for the best. If I'm ever sad, okay, I did this bad in this exam, or I did not do as well in this thing, he always used to tell me, all for the best. Just there are some things which are not in your control, and you just have to give your best and not worry about the results. Most favorite subject would be math, and least favorite would be physics. So I came up with this really fun acronym for GIS: Achieving Greatness Through Innovation with Integrity While Forging Synergy. The badminton court. definitely badminton. I can sleep at night and wake up in the afternoon. Really doing as much practice papers as possible, trying to mimic that exam environment. So when it comes to your board exams, you don't feel nervous, intimidated or scared. You're just like, okay, this is another exam, and you're confident. Innovation and creativity. There have been a lot of wonderful memories, so it kind of seems unfair to select one, but if I have to choose, I would say the sports days. You know, it's often this famous saying, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey, but I believe it's about the people who are with you on that journey, and
Definitely.
For me, I'm gonna miss my friends and the wonderful teachers. My inspiration, my parents.